Hello and welcome back again. So today in this video I'm going to talk about upcoming tax change on your YouTube earning. You need to require submit US tax information for your US AdSense earning. So let's start how you can do that and what kind of tax benefit you will get non-US person and if you submit tax on your own country. So I have a tax treaty list here. You can see if you go page number 3, and here you will see copyright section and all the country tax treaty list. Here you will see this side. So mine is Bangladesh, so mine is 10%. So if I have 10, I can claim 10% on tax benefit. So let's start. First of all, I'm going to AdSense, and here you will see a notification. So I am just clicking manage tax info. Just wait some time to load everything, and after that just click add text information. So you need to sign in again, so I'm quickly give the password and okay, I think it's good. And now select individual, and if you are company then you can select this non-individual slash entity. So I am individual, so I click individual and then next. And are you citizen or resident of United States? So if you are, then select yes. I am not, then I'm clicking no and then next. So now select doublet text from type. So based on your previous selected answer, a doublet from is needed. So this from is the most commonly used by non-US individual and would like to use a claim a tax treaty benefit. So this from is the most common use of non-US business entity or individual that earns income related to US trade or business and files a income US income tax return. So if you are file a US income tax return and you are non US business entity or individual, so you can select this, but I am selecting this because I am non US individual and I want to claim a tax benefit. So I'm clicking this and then click start W8 BEN from. Just wait some time to load. And here name of the individual, it's already completed. And deviate doing business as name or discuss entity. So this is optional, so I'm not gonna filling this. And country of citizen, so I'm clicking my country Bangladesh. And then taxpayer identification number, so I have a tax number so that I can claim treaty, so I'm quickly write it down. And USITIN or SSN, this is optional, so I'm not gonna write anything on here, so I'm clicking next. And then here you will need to add your address, so I am quickly write my address, then city postal code, and clicking this. Mailing address is same as permanent resident address, so after that just click next. And tax treaty, are you claiming a reduct rate of withholding under a tax treaty? So I'm clicking yes. And resident of country claiming treaty with the US, so I'm clicking country is Bangladesh and I'm clicking this option. And after that special rate and condition, I'm clicking those and selecting article 7 paragraph 1 withholding 0%, and clicking this. And after that this one also, and clicking article 12 paragraph 2 withholding tax 10%, and also clicking this. and other copyright, and also clicking this article 12 and paragraph 2 and 10% reduction rate, and last continue, and then next. Okay, so I confirm that I have review and generate text document, so I'm clicking confirm and check everything again and click next. So see the certificate and full legal name, so I'm writing my full legal name, and then yes, I am the person listed in the signature section, and I am complete this from on my behalf, so I'm clicking this and then next. So here activities and service performed in the US has the individual or entity identified in the tax identity section perform any activities or service for Google in the US? No. And I'm clicking this and status change, and I am providing tax information for an existing payment profile that has previously received payment. So if you are previously receiving payment from this AdSense account, then click this one. If you don't, then click this one. So I'm confirming this, and yeah, this one is optional, so I am not writing anything and clicking submit. Wait some time to complete everything. So here you can see everything is approved and the tax benefit is claimed by 10%. My earning from US, I will have to pay only 10%. So if you don't have 18, then you have to pay full 30%. So I have 18 and I don't need to pay 30%. So you can see the country list and the tax treaty with the US. I will link this PDF in the description, so go to the description and download this. Then you can see from the page number 3 you can find your tax treaty benefit if you have any with your country and US. So mine here Bangladesh, and I have to pay 10%. So if you are from Australia, you have to pay 5%. If you are from Canada, then you have to pay 0%. So that's it for now. If you didn't subscribe this channel, then subscribe the channel and share the video. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.